Hi scientists, in our first lesson of disappearing gargoyles, you took time to observe a new gargoyle and an old gargoyle, and you completed your See, Think, Wonder chart. We are going to continue the unit starter by learning more about the disappearing gargoyles. In the Middle Ages, there was a group of people called alchemists who are fascinated by materials and what things are made of. You'll learn more about them in the first mystery of the unit. One day, 4 alchemists went into town. They noticed something unusual about the gargoyles on top of the church. It seemed that slowly, over time, parts of the gargoyle were disappearing. So they're thinking and they're wondering why and what's happening. Like, why is it that parts of the gargoyles are disappearing? The alchemist had different ideas about what caused the gargoyle to change over time. They disagreed. Which it's okay. It's okay to disagree. It's not okay to be mean to one another, but it is okay to disagree. Here are their claims. Hermes: I think that the stone gets really old, decays, and falls apart. Robert: I think that a substance reacts with the stone and turns it into different materials. Mary: I think that the stone reacts with water and air, which creates rust on top of the stone. Zosmos: I think that the water washes over the stone, making it disappear. It doesn't exist anymore. So those are 4 different claims that would explain what's happening to the gargoyles. In today's activity, you'll decide which alchemist you agree with most.